Hey everybody, Ian Johnson from Big Tire Garage. We are here in Huntington Beach, California at the Dynatrac facility taking a look at a whole bunch of axles being built. While we're here, we're also taking a look at a bunch of parts. Now, if you have a vehicle that has a unit bearing at the front axle, so we're talking about Fords and Dodges, you can actually ditch the unit bearing and replace it with a Dynatrac free spin kit. Now, the nice thing about this kit is no longer do you have to just throw out that unit bearing. You can actually service your front axle by rebuilding the bearings over time. So if you need to service these bearings, you can simply tear it down and replace just a simple cheap bearing instead of an entire hub assembly. The kit comes with everything that you need. It's going to have a new spindle, heavy duty hub, axle stub shaft, all the seals, bearings, spacers, and wheel studs needed to install it, retains factory ABS, and also includes a set of Dynatrac Dynalock hubs. Now these are a heavy duty freewheeling hub. Nice thing about these hubs is if something happens on the trail and the hub does fail, it defaults to lock. So no matter what, you're going to get out of the woods, out of the desert, and back to the trailer. And the best part is the entire assembly is built right here in Southern California. It's actually built right over there.